What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, look at this masterpiece of the crypto bubbles, baby. Absolutely fantastic. Could not be more bullish myself. We're going to have a look over at the Bitcoin dominance, and we're going to have a look at what it means moving forward. We're going to look at some of the altcoins. We got some things to talk about today, guys. We're going to get an update on where the daily close is going to take place and so much more. Stay tuned for all of it, guys. Click like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, costs you absolutely nothing at all. So go ahead and check that out for me real quick. Let's look across the weekly time frame for the altcoins, guys. Look at this masterpiece. Wormhole, Clearpool, Moonwell, XPR, Taraxa, Tars AI, Pith, ETH. 25% up on the week. That's big for ETH, guys. Crow is up. Algorand, Naka Games. Let's go a little bit broader here. See what else we have. Aerodrome Finance. Chainlink up 39.5%. Doge is looking beautiful. 26% there. AIOZ. Ondo up. Arbitrum. Supra Optimism. Everything looks fantastic. B3 is up 28%. HBAR 15.6%. Foxy's looking foxy, looking even broader. Pendle's looking good. Wow. MNT, Athena, everything looks gorgeous, guys. This is what you want to see. And yet you still have some good DCA opportunities sprinkled amongst the flowers. So definitely, guys, I did some DCAing this morning, scooped up some stuff. I put my buy alerts over on the Patreon, as I always do. All right, so the altcoin market's looking fantastic. XRP, XLM looking good. Let's go look at Bitcoin. What's going on over there? Okay, Bitcoin at $116,489 at the time of recording. Our target, as I said before, guys, right above here, this white line, $117,235. It's acted as significant support back here for about 20 days, as you can see. Look how many times, almost every single day, we tested it as support for over 20 days before finally giving way. So, of course, it's going to act as a level of resistance as well. And it's kind of a double layer of resistance because it's not only that support level, but it's or resistance level that was support, but it's also the 30-day SMA is right at the exact same level, $117,211. So we've got double resistance on Bitcoin. We snapped above earlier, all the way up to just a hair under $118,000, and then selling pressure. Bears pushed us back down, which is fine because I'm anticipating some consolidation in this range. As long as we don't lose 115,675, I mean, even if we did, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but I want to see us hold that level as support nevertheless, right? So far, so good. Let's consolidate here on Bitcoin. Let the RSI cool off a little bit, and let's give Ethereum and the altcoins a little bit of a chance to enjoy the melt-up phase before Bitcoin makes its next leg up, probably sometime next week. Going over to the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is flirting with us here, right? Playing hard to get. She's playing hard to get, my friends, right? She wicked all the way up to $4,329. And then back down here, we're at 4,261 right now. My target of resistance is going to be up here at about $4,500. That's where I'm targeting us to meet a little bit of resistance. It's a strong psychological level. There is a bit of a sell wall there, but that's fine. Let's get up there probably sometime tonight or tomorrow. This is going to be a great daily close. Let's push even higher for the weekly close tomorrow. That's what we'll be watching for there, but ETH is looking fantastic right now, guys, obviously, right? All right, so we're going to look over at the Bitcoin dominance and stuff as we usually do, but first we're going to get into this little piece here to give a little bit of narrative. So Bitcoin dominance drops below 56% after breaking 20-month trend line. Altcoins gain share. Bitcoin's market dominance has moved below a significant multi-year trend line, indicating a shift in market structure. Weekly chart data shows the dominance percentage declining from recent highs, now testing levels last seen months ago. This move has drawn attention across the market as it marks the first break below this trend line since the upward trend began in late 2022. You heard that right. The chart shows Bitcoin dominance rising steadily since November of 2022, supported by a strong ascending trend line. And so that's how long altcoins have been getting abused, right? This structure persisted for over 20 months, guiding the dominance from under 40% to recent peaks above 56. That probably is supposed to mean 66, right? However, in the latest weekly candle, the dominance closed beneath the trend line for the first time during this period. This development follows several weeks of downward pressure from the highs near 57. That's probably supposed to be 67. Altcoin season from Captain Fabian here. Altcoin season is officially here. I disagree with that. It is not altcoin season, guys. We're transitioning right now from Bitcoin season to Ethereum season. We are not in altcoin season. I'll show you another metric discussing that in a few moments. But that's putting the cart before the horse. Altcoin season is coming. We're in a melt-up phase for the altcoins while we transition from Bitcoin season to Ethereum season. It is not officially altcoin season right now. The shift in dominance coincides with the increased strength in the altcoin market. Several altcoins have broken past established resistance levels over recent sessions, producing consecutive weekly gains. Notably, these moves occurred as Bitcoin's relative shares of total cryptocurrency market cap declined. Chart data suggests that dominance drop has been steady, with the sharper move occurring during the last two weekly sessions. This aligns with rising altcoin volumes and stronger price action in non-Bitcoin assets, so altcoins. From the technical standpoint, a break below the trend line removes a long-standing support level for Bitcoin dominance. Previous tests in this trend line in mid-2023 and early 2024 resulted in rebounds, in reinforcing its importance. Now, the loss of that support opens way for the dominance to retest lower percentage zones. So in 2023, this support level was tested and it held support. Bitcoin dominance bounced back up. Early 2024, it was tested again and it stayed strong, and Bitcoin dominance bounced to the upside once again. It retested it now and it did not hold support. It collapsed below. And that is what opens the door for us to head towards altcoin season. Are we there yet? No, but we are on our way. So the broader crypto market cap remains elevated, but the composition is shifting. While Bitcoin remains the largest share, the recent move underscores growing activity in alternative assets. The combination of a broken multi-year support and strengthening altcoin charts places the current phase as one of the most notable structural changes in market share dynamics over the past 2 years. So if we go and we look at the Bitcoin dominance here, what they're talking about, we have lost support. We have collapsed below out of the bear flag and continued down. Absolutely amazing. That's what you love to see, guys. That is what you love to see. Currently 59.86% and dropping like a bad habit. And again, if we go to the total, let's go to the total 3. That's the total altcoin market cap, including Ethereum, climbing to the upside very nicely. That's including Ethereum. But if we go to the total 2, that's not including Ethereum, everything but Ethereum. Boom, look at that. Bull flag breakout, past resistance, and we are in full flight send mode. Let's freaking go. Let's go. So we have another, it seems like we may have another little level of resistance right here. Right where we are, essentially, right? As you can see, we're just a hair above it right now, but as you can see, it was resistance here, it was resistance here before collapsing back down. So It was a significant level in the past. So can we break above that at 1.55 trillion? We are just a hair above it. We're basically on it, just a hair above it right now. So that's looking good. Let's go. Guys, I'm telling you right now, right, when altcoin season hits, you're not even going to know it's coming. You're just going to wake up. It's just going to be going nuts very, very soon here, right? Very, very soon here. Now, if we go and look at the altcoin season index, you can see we are not quite in altcoin season right now. We are in Ethereum season. We're at a 43. So we need us to come all the way up here to above 75 to be in the altcoin season. However, what I would say is I have no tools on here. Why do I not have any tools on here? Well, either way, as you can see, we are in a bull flag right here. You can see us. If I could put a trend line here, I would, but it doesn't let me, unfortunately. But as you can see, bull flag formation right here as on the altcoin season index chart as well, which is going to break us up towards altcoin season here. Why can I not put lines on here? Yeah, anyway, I thought I could, but apparently I can't. But anyway, but you can see the bull flag formation right here, getting ready to break up to altcoin season. It's just a matter of time, guys. This is about to get very, very interesting. Things. Here's the thing, guys. Now, I've been listening to a lot of people, whether it's over on the Patreon or on YouTube, and they're talking to me about people who've never been through an altcoin season before. And I know that I understand it's hard to conceive. It's kind of hard to wrap your mind around it, right? I'm going to talk about that a little bit later in the video because it can be. If you've never experienced it before, it's like nothing you've ever experienced before. It's hard to wrap your mind around how prices can go from where they are now to these exorbitant prices. But believe me when I tell you, they do. Okay. So that is the altcoin season index. We're not even close right now. We're at a 41. Well, I wouldn't say we're not close, but we're getting ready to snap up to altcoin season. Okay, so be ready for that. All right. Quick shout out, guys, as we always do around this time, to the channel sponsor, Decent's Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Use our link down below. Get yourself a phenomenal deal. They got a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet right now. And the card wallet, I think it's like $5 for the card wallet, guys. It's a small price to pay to get and keep your crypto safe off of exchanges. So definitely something you're going to want to pay attention to, guys. And listen, if you are new to crypto, if you have never been through an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people that have been through multiple bull runs and can help you front run this market and get out with your profits intact. Just today, we hit 44 members over on the Patreon who have hit 7-figure portfolios. Many, many more have hit high 6 figures, guys. Let's make you next in line. Let's get you going here. Book your coaching calls over there. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. Guys, the Patreon is less than the price of a cup of coffee a day. It is ridiculously affordable compared to other channels. And I'm telling you right now, when you experience the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips over there, open mic weekends, you get all the help from thousands of members, including myself. We're live every day. I'm also dropping a gem, a microcap gem, today that I'm extremely excited about. So check that out. Swing trade opportunities, microcap gems, live every single day. Get the tools you need to succeed, guys. Help me help you for the price of a cup of coffee a day. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.